I'm going to do a little unboxing of what the speakers I'll be using in the Jeep for this new build that I'm doing. I went to sound check today and I got myself a really good deal on some B2 audio equipment that I plan on using for my front stage and my doors. And I'm going to go ahead and give you guys like a little unboxing and just showing you what I got. We're going to start off. I got a pair of hnt4 super tweeters from B2. Pretty nice quality. Definitely looking forward to using these. I love the chrome color and the red paint. Ratchet matches my Jeep. But it's an 1.5 inch super bullet tweeter. Kind of see the measurements there. 300 watts max. 4 ohm impedance. But I got 2 of these, 1 per door. And then I picked these up. This is a B2 hn10p 10-inch mid-range speaker. It's a ferrite motor. You can kind of see the cone has been treated already. It's marine grade. I've heard these before. They're super loud. That's why I went ahead and picked these up. Pretty nice. Huge. These 10s are super nice. I've had them before. I've had a pair of 8s. That's why I was like, yeah, I'll definitely do those. Sweet like Danish. But 4 ohm, 200 watts, RMS. Definitely gonna scream on that Sound Digital 4 channel I got. The plan is to run Sound Digital 4 channel, 2 ohm stereo bridged. So I'll have 2 channels bridged per pair, and then I'll have 2 per door, 1 per door, and then I'm doing a PRV horn per door as well. But yeah, that's sexy. So this is the 4 channel I'll be running on them. I know I went over this before, but be running the Sound Digital 1200.4. This is a 2 ohm model, so that'll be my front stage. I have a little surprise for basically a stunt wall, is what you would call it. But I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to using these. God, they look so good. These look so good. Alright guys, that's it. Stay tuned for more.